Are you looking to earn money online fast? Well, you're in luck. In this step-by-step guide video, I'm going to show you how to make money from the comfort of your own home. But first things first, you need to get a niche. You may be wondering what's a niche. A niche is a specific area that you want to specialize in, that you want to tap in. So before even you continue, you need to find a profitable niche. This could be anything from fitness to beauty to cooking. Just find something that you're passionate about and that is relevant in the market right now. Next, set up an online store or a website to showcase your products online because you need online presence. If you decide to set this up, make sure it is visually appealing to your users and make sure that it clearly tells what your products or services are. It should be something that is eye-catching, that is not complicated, self-explanatory. The minute I land there, I should be able to get what you're doing, the services you're providing, and the products you have without any wastage of time and without any hassle. Next thing, you need to know how to get people to your website or your platform. You need to know how to get an audience because there's no way you're surviving without an audience. How do you bring people to you? Now, there are so many ways to attract an audience. It can be through social media marketing, through social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook. I know you may be asking yourself, what do I do because I am not active on social media? Do not worry. Nowadays, there are so many ways to promote your social media account. You could enter Instagram today and by the next week you have 1,000 followers. All you need to do is to make use of ads. These days, Facebook and Instagram have ads. So if you post something, you can actually pay as little as $3 to get your posts boosted. I know you've seen when you're scrolling and you see a suggested account which you've not followed. Actually, that account has paid for them to be boosted. So you can easily grow your social media by boosting. You could even do something we call email marketing. This is whereby you pay Gmail to market for you through sending other people email. I know you've seen this on your email accounts too. Just remember, the more traffic you get, the more products you're going to sell because the more you're marketing your products, the more you're growing. And once you get at least a good target audience, it's time to monetize. It's so easy to monetize when you have traffic, but when you start without nothing, you have to advertise your goods so that you first grow your traffic. Now, there are many ways to monetize your products. You could do this through affiliate marketing. You can also make money through ads. Definitely, if you have a website that is having a good traffic, it's easy to send ads or to apply for ads, and once they are placed on your website, you're able to earn money as well as sell your products. Actually, this is the best way to make money when you have a website, because you have websites, you have your services that you're selling and your products, and at the same time, ads are giving you money. If you don't know how to make money through ads, comment down below. I can do an exclusive video of that so that you guys understand how to actually maximize on making money using ads. The key is to provide quality to your audience. So make sure whenever somebody clicks to your website or your platform, they are able to get some value from it. Do not be a scam. Like, do not give descriptions of what you are not providing. Make sure you're legit, because if you want to grow, you have to be authentic. I always say it is better to grow slowly, authentically, than to gain a lot of traffic, and then once they realize you are not authentic, they all leave and you're left. So the best thing is to make sure you're authentic enough. Also, do not forget to make adjustments. I always say you can start from anywhere, but just make sure as you make progress, make adjustments. If you see this and this is working better than this and that, definitely you have to change this to that. Just make sure you are very keen on your progress, to notice what people love and what people do not love. Then dwell on what people love. Definitely, if you want to sell more, if you want to grow more, you have to understand your audience and feed them with what they have. That's the goal. Whenever you are working online, your goal is to make sure your audience is satisfied. You are not the price, your audience is the price. So make sure you do what your audience needs. That's why I said at the beginning, first of all, find a niche that interests you, because if it's something that interests you, then you can always be flexible to make adjustments according to the changing times. And also, you will not ever strain or struggle when you're making this kind of adjustments. Don't forget to check your progress. Always track your progress. This will enable your business to evolve. It enables your business to grow. Definitely, it's going to improve your business, because there is no way you can do business without tracking your progress. You need to know how have you done so far? How far are you? Do you need more employees? Is it time to maybe change the location? Is it time to change the type of things that I'm selling? Is it time to add products? Always check your progress to know what the business requires at what time. You will realize at times you find different times of the year have different demands. So you might find the demands of this month are not the same as the ones for next month, and the other month and the other month. So you have to keep on checking your progress to understand what the market needs. Finally, consistency. Consistency is everything when you're doing any kind of business, be it online or offline, be it business for YouTube or anything. Consistency is everything. That's why even when we are in church, we are told you have to be consistent with God. You have to pray every day. Consistency is the key to success. So once you start doing it, don't stop, because if you stop, you've killed yourself. Let me just tell you the truth. Always make sure you keep doing that thing, because you don't want to murder yourself. You don't want to kill your business. I'm talking this out of experience. I have done that with YouTube, and I know how much inconsistency kills your business. That is, if you take it as a business. Yeah, so that's how you can grow online. Please do not forget to like this video, comment down below, tell me what you think about it. In case you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and ask me. I'm definitely going to be responding to your comments. Also, kindly like this video as you leave, because it really helps to grow my channel. And also subscribe in case you haven't, because I'm gonna be doing very beautiful, informative videos in the future. Until that time, I'm hoping to see you guys in the next one. Bye.